you have a minute? Do you have a minute to do it?
Yeah, yeah. I have more than minutes.
Tell me a little bit about you.
Well, I was born in Belize, in Dangriga, the June 17, 1970. I school in Holy Ghost. Then graduated 1984, Holy Ghost Primary School. Thereafter, I went to the police department because, I went to the police department where I stood for 13 years from 1990 to 2003.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Thereafter, I came to Los Angeles, where I teach for GAFO. For how long?
Wow, like 4 years? 3 or 4
Yeah.
years? How did you get into the Garifuna spirituality? Because you're very, very well thought after. I mean, people look for you.
Well, yeah. Before the spirituality, I used to work at Luba Garifuna Museum in Belize City for Sebastian Cayetano.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Like I put that in there. Yeah, for maybe about 5 to 6 years.
Wow.
Teaching about the Garifuna culture. Yeah. Then when I get to Los Angeles, when it comes to prayer, I've been praying, but when it comes to doing the prayers, I used to work with Marine Nabor.
Oh, yes.
And that's where I enhance my spiritual praying, being it Garifuna, English, or Spanish. But mostly I learned Spanish from Auntie Marie.
Wow.
So we used to work together. Yeah.
Okay. And the Catholic Church Foundation, were you back in Belize part of the?
Oh yeah, I was part of the Belize Garifuna choir, headed by late Theodore Palacio.
So that was your foundation then, as far as okay, beautiful.
Yeah.
Because you're able to basically say a mass by yourself without the need of a priest. You know it all from the beginning to the end.
Yeah, that's true.
So that was an easy transition then into the Garifuna spirituality, which became the stronghold for you today, where you participate in chugus and different activities, put down for families and so on and so forth. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, when it comes to that, it after that working with Aunt Marie, then I find Jaja Mike. One day Jaja Mike called me and he said he want me to come with him for a mass. Right? And then I started working with Jaja Mike. When he introduced me to Lucy, then from then I'm with Lucy and Giovanni up to now.
Gotcha. I see. And that is a very strong community of people who hold on to Garifuna Duo as far as the spirituality is concerned. And congratulations on that, because it's not easy. It's a big commitment where you guys go at least a day or two, in prayers and doing what you guys know how to do best. We've been part of it, and we just praise you guys for keeping the culture alive in that aspect. And Dale, anything else you would like to highlight you as a person during the time that you will be honored by the city of Los Angeles?
Well, I will be very appreciative because I've done a lot for the Garifuna culture, and I appreciate GAFO for giving me this award and citation of the city. I really appreciate that, because during my during my performing age on stage. I've been to France, Italy, and Spain twice. My last tour was Nagoya, Japan, with the late great and the Palacio.
Oh, that part we didn't know. That part we didn't know. So you traveled as a drummer along with
Yeah.
Andy.
Yep.
Oh wow, that is great.
In Mexico, in 19 what year? 1989. I toured. No, not 89. Let me see. 1998.
Mhm.
I toured Mexico with Andy P, where we went to celebrate like all the cultural events in Mexico, where he they call it the Festival del Caribe.
Ah, yes, I've heard about that. Yes.
Yeah, so we start from. So I've been to we start from Bacalar, then we went to Isla Mujeres, no, San Jose Morelos. We went to Campeche, then Isla Mujeres, then Veracruz, then Cancun, then Mexico City, where that concludes the tour.
Wow. So you guys were
Yes.
performing along other big artists from the Caribbean then, in Mexico.
Yeah.
Soca, reggae, and local Caribbean bands as well.
Exactly. But from Belize, it was Andy P, Super G. They call them the Super Six.
Wow. Excellent. Thank you, Dale.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man.
yeah, no problem, my brother.
Great
Anytime.
information. I recorded it so I could actually put it into perspective later on Saturday when you guys come. And, so people, they need to know. They need to know why you're getting awarded and why you deserve what you deserve for doing what you're doing for the culture to continue to be alive, right?
Yeah, thank you.
All right, brother. Thank you very